Hello, we're at part 3. We're almost finished with the hat. All we need to do is make an increase round and then move on to the shell round and then crochet a rippled edge. Let's get started.
This next round is an increase round. We'll need to chain 1, single crochet in the joining stitch, and in the next 3 stitches and then increase in that 5th stitch, so that's 2 single crochets. At the end of this round we will have 60 stitches. So single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 single crochets in that same stitch. So there's the increase right here, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 single crochets all the way around. I'll meet you at the end of the round. Okay, I'm at the end of the round. I need to put 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 single crochets in this last stitch, and I will have 60 single crochets at the end of this round. 1 more single crochet, and then 2 right here. Join with a slip stitch at the beginning, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then shell. And a shell is 5 double crochets in the same stitch, so that's 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's a single crochet, skip 2, and a shell. Now we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and single crochet, 1, 2, single crochet. Now we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then shell. And a shell is 5 double crochets. And here we have a single crochet, shell, single crochet, shell. We repeat this sequence all the way around. So skip 2, 1, 2, and single crochet. I will continue this sequence and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, I'm at the end of the round. I need to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, make a shell, then skip these last 2 stitches and join with a slip stitch at this single crochet. So let's get that done. 1, 2, and a shell, 5 double crochets, and slip stitch. Skip these 2 stitches and slip stitch. Now we're going to make a beginning shell, which is chain 3, and this chain 3 will count as a double crochet, and put 4 double crochets in the joining stitch, 4, and we have a beginning shell. Then we single crochet in the 3rd stitch, 1, 2, 3, then then shell in this single crochet. then single crochet in the third stitch here. Let's pull it up and look at what we have. All right, we have a shell here and a shell here. We have 2 shell rounds. We're working on the second shell round, and we continue the sequence all the way around. We have the single crochet in the third stitch, then we shell in this single crochet, then single crochet and shell all the way around. I'll meet you at the end of the round. I'm at the end of the round. I just need to place 1 single crochet in the third stitch, and then join with a slip stitch in the third, 1, 2, 3, beginning chain. So that third chain of the beginning chain, join with a slip stitch. Now chain 1, this is the last round. It's chain 1 and slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch. I call this the ripple round. It makes what looks to me like a ripple stitch. Let me make a couple more. It's very simple. Chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next stitch, and there you have a little bit of a ripple stitch. We do that all the way around, and then I'll meet you at the end of the round. Okay, so we're making that ripple stitch. We're coming to the end of the round. So we've just chained 1 right here. We're going to slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. Whoops, I lost my loop. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, and then slip stitch right here. And end off, and we are at the end of part 3. Let's back up and take a look here. Now we have a completed hat with 2 shell rounds. Next is part 4, which is embellishing or placing the flower on this hat. We also have this hat to embellish. I'll be embellishing both hats in part.
Well, we're finished with the hat. All you need to do is weave in your ends, and hey, you can just put this on right away. I would put this on, but I'm going to donate this. I'm keeping this hat and my tight chemo hat for demonstration purposes. These are mine. But I'm going to donate this, so I won't put this on my head, but you could just put a brooch on this. You could put a button on this. You could leave it plain. This is just beautiful. So next is part 4. I'll be showing you how to make these large flowered embellishments and how to add them and sew them onto the hat. You'll need needle nose pliers, a sharp needle, and a little bit of patience. And I'll make sure that all of the supplies that you need are down below in the description.